Welcome. This is a 10-minute yoga full body stretch that you can do any time of the day. We'll begin laying, hugging the knees in towards the chest. Big squeeze here, maybe even just rocking side to side. We'll go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch, or you can open the feet for a happy baby. Option again to gently rock side to side. And we'll release. One last squeeze. And then we'll straighten the right leg, hugging that left knee in towards the chest. And switching legs, hugging the right knee in, straightening the left. And we'll gently come all the way up to a comfortable seat, whatever works for you. Circling the neck, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Warming up the upper back, the spine. We'll come into the waist, just finding some organic movement here, maybe even just rocking side to side, whatever works for you today. Again, just warming up the spine, the mid back and the lower back. We'll come back to center, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, side stretch towards the left. Right hand reaches up. Option to come down to your forearm if the body allows it today. And we'll inhale, reach back up. Exhale, side stretch towards your right. You can stay here as long as you need. We'll inhale, reach back up. Exhaling, taking a twist towards the left, sitting up tall. And again, same thing here. You can stay in your twists or your side stretches as long as you need. Inhale the hands back up. Exhale, twisting towards the right. And we'll gently release, coming into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. You can even take the hands a little further up. If that feels best, we'll drop the belly, inhale, take your gaze up. Exhaling, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Continue syncing breath with movement. We'll walk the hands forward and just begin to gently sway side to side. And at any point, you can just melt the chest down, taking the forehead or cheek to the mat. You can even place a block underneath the forehead for added support. And we'll gently release, planting the hands on the mat. We'll come into our down dog, sending the hips up, tuck the toes. Walk it out here, generous bend in the knees. We'll inhale, coming right into plank. Exhale, planting the knees lower halfway. Inhale for up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. We'll do that one more time. Take your flow, inhale the plank. Exhale, plant the knees, chaturanga. Inhale, untuck the toes, up dog or cobra, gentle back bend. Exhale, sending the hips towards your heels, forehead or cheek to the mat. For child's pose, option to take the knees a little bit more wide. If that feels best, you can even modify, placing pillows underneath the hips and underneath the torso for added height and support. Taking this one moment out of your day to just find some rest, completely letting go here, soaking in all the work you just did, observing the body. And we'll inhale, gently release, coming all the way up. Take your time, resting the hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Taking a moment here, giving yourself a pat on the back for showing up to the mat today. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.